I got the windows done, and I mean, looking at these things, this was like way more work than I anticipated. But the thing is with these windows is they're original to the house. This house was built in sometime in the 1960s, and they were built as kind of row houses for the Spanish workers who were working over in Gibraltar. They were built by the then Spanish dictator Francisco Franco. And he built these houses alongside a group of apartment buildings specifically to house young families and workers that were crossing the border daily into Gibraltar. That little bit of history is awesome, but these windows, like I said, are original to the house. And same thing with these. Got a lot going on here in my house right now. Same thing with these patio doors. So these are also original, and I'm not, and they have, well, you could see the glass over there, but they have this glass in there, and I was looking around trying to see if I wanted to try to take that glass off. It's just not going to happen. So anyway, I'm painting these windows, like you can see from the inside here. There's little cracks and crevices that I just can't get. There's little marks here, but I'm not going to remove these windows because of the history that they hold. It was really difficult to paint. There's a lot of, I see so many imperfections here that I could keep going for days, cleaning, scraping, doing all that. But what I love about these windows is the fact that they are original to the house from the 1960s. To me, that's what holds so much amazing history. And let me show you this part here. One of the reasons why I kept putting this off and off is because it's so much work. Kitchen windows took me about a week. Between taping, between painting, between taking the tape off, letting it dry, all that stuff. And then one day was like, I'm tired of painting this, I need to take a break. So that's why even here, I'm just taking it one step at a time by taping as I go each day, taping a little bit more, and then painting. But these are difficult because the bars here, these bars are actually on the inside of the window. So like you can see here, behind the bars is almost impossible. And there's the patio roof that needs to come down, but I have to hire a company to do that. So for now, it's just staying ugly. Once again, original doors from the 1960s when the house was first built. So those are staying, and I love them. Just the painting has been more work than I expected. That's what happens when you buy a used house here in Spain. If you haven't already, I've released a video that's called Spain Have Home Inspectors. Someone was asking about that. Short answer is no, we don't, but make sure to check out the video uploaded on my channel about home inspections in Spain and about the buying process in Spain. Projects continue on the Spain house, my first international property purchase. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to the Spain Gibraltar channel. Of course, if you have any questions about travel to Spain or Gibraltar, be sure to leave them in the comments section below.